I typically don't like backlit keyboards with RGB effects just because, you know, why? I'm not a gamer, so they look cool, but it's not something that I really care to see all the time. But this keyboard, I like the effects because you can set it on one of these effects that the keys will only light up when you start typing on them, which I think just looks super cool. So check this out. See how just when I hit a key, that's when they light up? That's just one of the effects. But I just think that looks kind of neat. But of course you can change and get different effects. So here's an effect. And I just think the effects that this keyboard has, it just looks really nice. Let's try another one. Now each function key and key press will allow for 3 different backlighting effects. So there are 18 in total, not to mention the fact that you can customize it if you want to. So I just touched the function key and the page down button. So now let's do it again. And here's another version of the backlighting effects, and press the same button again and you get yet another option. There's an option. As you can see, there is a lot of variety and they look really nice. But I don't do any kind of typing. Now this one, see, look, it's all black, or the lighting is all off until you start typing. And then it's like ripples. So that looks really cool. Oops. There's a cool breathing effect. But yeah, I think that's really cool. And this is the one that I had before where it just lights up just one key. And that's the one that I like the best.